Good morning. Forget which day it is. It's Friday, April 14th. Today we're going to be arriving into, what is it,
Grenada.
Grenada. Royal Princess is scheduled to arrive in St. George, which is the main capital port, if you will. We do have a tour. I'll let you talk about that.
Yeah, our tour is going to...
I'm looking in the pattern to see if I can kind of plan our day.
Well, the tour, we go to this Grand Etang National Park is one thing that we go to. I think we just stopped there. Etang. Then we're going to be doing some Coco.
Yes.
Coco experience. So Grenada is a spice island, so they have a lot of spices, which makes sense. Last time we were here, we saw what a cocoa looks like, but I'm hoping that this one actually takes us through how they make cocoa.
I think if you look at one of our earlier blogs, Sea Princess, possibly you'll actually see the actual cocoa plant. Hopefully we'll see again, I'm sure we will, that we can also put it on this blog and vlog.
Right. And then we're going to do some rum tasting.
Yes.
I'm looking forward to that. The other thing is, not only do you have the cars coming through, you have pedestrians. If you're ever in Grenada and you want to have a little adventure, go walk through this tunnel.
Shall we do it?
No.
The lake behind me, but basically what this was, I guess, is the top of an old volcano that is kind of dormant or extinct now. I guess it's not even dormant.
And then this is a washroom.
There is also like the chocolate, bars. And then we have the white chocolate. You know what the white chocolate is? So when they are producing the chocolate, there is a residue of butter. And this butter, when it cools down, when they take it out and it cools down, then it becomes the white chocolate. So it's also like a secondary product of producing the chocolate.
Is that sweet?
Yes, it is like the white chocolate, like what you eat. Yeah. So here, that's too for burns. So here you have the cocoa beans, and the cocoa beans here are already dried. The skin is already out of here, so you have it. That's how it will be exported. So these sacks here contain dried cocoa beans.
You have to dry. After dry, it come like this. But you have to be fermented. You have to ferment it.
we want to go to the rum tasting.
We're going to the serious end of this one.
That's the serious end of the journey.
there's a whole bunch of
They do this at the end, so you can
Stagger that.
work well, so you can pay attention at the beginning. Hello.
I need a little quiet here because I wanna explain our 7 different types of rum for you. So I'm gonna start off with our Jack Iron, which is 69% of alcohol. Also our White Jack. So those two are what we call our same rum, but the only difference is that with our Jack Iron we add caramel to give it a darker color, but they are the same strength. Alright, % of alcohol. Here we have our Superb Light. Our Superb Light is our young 3-year-old rum. When I said young, meaning it did not age as longer, so to get this dark, nice caramel color, right? So with our young 3-year-old rum, it still have caramel added to give it a darker color, but it's 40% of alcohol and it's great for mixing. So you go on to the 12 degrees. We are 12 degrees north of the equator, and this here is double distilled in charcoal to give it this pretty crystal color. This here is on a vodka line. So whatever you can do with a vodka, you can do with a 12 degrees as a mix. And it's 40% of alcohol. So go ahead to our plantation. Our plantation is our spice rum. It is aged for 5 years in the oak barrels, and the color is unnatural, and you may get a hint or taste of vanilla, spice, and cinnamon. And it's 43% of alcohol. So this has stood out for tremendous years, and the body, the taste, everything's remained the same.